Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Seem in a better mood, that's because I slept. Alright, last video on the 240, you saw the issues we had. Hold on. Fuel line leaking, FPR leaking, the O2 does not screw in. I still need to remedy that situation, and I might this weekend. I need to see how far from the turbo itself I can put the O2. Now, that being said, my plan today is to only fix the fuel situation. See if I get it started. If it does, fine. Yay, y'all get a win. But my main goal is cleaning this place up. Make some progress the night prior. Workbench is clean. That one's next. This box has 240 stuff in it. So do those two. One of them has bodywork stuff. So I'm going through all that today. And the goal is to get all this cleaned up. So enough with the talking. I'm not going to even show y'all the whole progress. I'm going to put the phone in charge so that when I go do work on the car, I have some footage for you. So let me go clean, get it done, and come back and show y'all the fun stuff. All right, so table cleaned up. I got shelf up. Excuse the noise, because all these people out here just being loud. Yeah, look at that. Just being loud. But we're about to hang up the extension cords, and the car will be pretty much clean. So next video we'll put that in. Just gotta clean it up a little bit more. But goal achieved for today. We didn't get everything we want done, but we're doing the last bit right now. Yeah. Pour it. Right there, next to mine. And that's to hang the extension cords. We'll knock that out, and that'll be pretty much the end of the video. All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to cut it here. All right. This is as far as I got. Not gonna lie, I had dinner, sat in the recliner, and we know how that ended. All right. Still need to tighten these up, but I'm just gonna wait till I run the actual lines from the tank, which are here, and I have these clips to hold them together when I do that. Other than that, got the inside cleaned out. We're gonna start getting the dashboard back in, and if you haven't seen the dashboard, go back to 2018 and you'll see. So matter of fact, I need to find the waterfall. Oh, I know where it's at, the piece that goes in there. So get it back in the car, test fit, and go from there. So pretty much got a little workspace. This box contains nuts and bolts. I need to find a place for those next to the yellow bins you see over there. That's where they're going to go. And get my pegboard organized. Air compressor cracked out on me today, so that's gone. And waiting to install these seats for the Jeep, and I can actually start using tool cart. So hey, appreciate y'all watching as always. And what's in my bed? Oh, I was cleaning the windows of the car. As always, appreciate y'all watching. Thank y'all so much. Love you guys. Please comment, like the video. Interaction gets me in. The views been climbing. Thank y'all so much again, and just help me get in there, please. All right. So thank y'all so much again. Have a good day or night. whenever you're watching this.